man kibru kiwa coach man kibru kiwa epsilon man kibru kitibru sebelah walaj negijing bechai go le project kani dia bi ke team yang i bo i hai ni to run for fitness and healthy life wa kajing ngipet happy gudang cha i medipat to kwa em cam ha kajing im yang i nei bai le yo money của check của kia ham pai pi rồi pai bỏ đi đến đã bỏ nhau tiếng lâm bang năng chứ chốt cổ nó cả làm thế ngà cả pa đi pi và tan cái này ri một lúc yang tan ban maniga kri ke check của kia tan ban maniga kri kwa en ông nọ đấy này xí này rồi
Lê đó nào đâu buồn khô rồi nhìn làm phía đi vậy mà nó nghĩ tại là bỏ tháo cái như vậy đi vậy các bạn chú ông ấy là một competition does not mean to beat the best or to beat the rest but it's a spirit of participation cái tết đó của em các nên sẽ là bao nhiêu về cái spirit of participation họ ada mam jiwa number 1, number 2, number 3 chapter ada constellation mereka bro aku cemata kini punya mesin ke spirit of participation ke sporting spirit kini sporting spirit tak am kama ni dah sporting tu hejing yang pilih enjoy wan boleh ada mesin itu ke sporting spirit lai kam hai jam hai business one le ada mesin lo bahai lo coach one big berkoman sincere to end the responsibility kini everything yang aku kru hai pergi nak cemata untuk orang ini kita pelai orang presiden ini kalau tak pelai kan dari buat yo maka lawai yang ke jadi beruang ini tentang seluruh yang mana kau pernah hitam kerja di proyek hitam jam yang first time tu bi yang mana tu he dah dia tanah di dua mulai
inspiration and never give up. I'll tell you. Say number 1, always remember health is wealth. If you are unhealthy, you will not be wealthy also. Wealthy, I mean not in the material things. Wealthy in the sense your entire body parts. That's why I always remember, even once when I was undergoing basketball coach under Sports Authority of India also, my coach told me, health is wealth. If you are healthy in your entire life, you will be wealthy. That is number 1. Number 2, today, nobody is winner and losers here. Number 1, you try to achieve your goal. That's why you have reached here. That means number 1, you have achieved your goal. Number 2, you never lose hope. You keep on running though you are tired. I can see some of them running, almost having a daydream and was running. But still, you reach the end. That is called perseverance and endurance, and this perseverance and endurance will teach you in your life. See, our life as a human being, it's not a bed of roses. Sometimes you have to climb a mountain, sometimes you have to jump into the sea, but this running will teach you how to endure, and perseverance will take you forward in your life. And I'm telling you, I think we are all local talented people, right? Without learning anything, we have the energy, we have the stamina. I can see lots of men running as if nothing is happening. And when we were undergoing training in police academy, you know why? Saturday we had most. Why? We have to run 10 kilometers every Saturday. And that is also in the morning, because Friday we enjoy too much, Saturday you sweat it out. But that running teach us perseverance and endurance. So please remember, my dear youngsters, brothers, this perseverance and endurance will lead you, will give you a light, and it will make you a torchlight when it is darkness. Please keep running. Be the star. Be the star. I'm telling you, and I think our Meghalaya Games is happening, and it will keep on coming now. Never abandon your physical fitness. If you're fit, mentally fit, then you can fight anything. So, on this occasion of this 75 years of India independence and 50 years of Meghalaya statehood, development comes from us. Let us not wait for the development from something else to come. Development comes from us. Everybody contribute each and every bit. That is the development. Now you are contributing in the field of sports. Excel it, show it, be the star. Then you will feel proud of it, because you will feel proud that I have contributed something to the state and as a whole to our nation. So all the best. May you have a good life and strive harder.
Now I would like to call the winner, Sri Daniel Lyngdoh Wahlang, who secured first prize. A certificate and a cash award of 5,000 rupees. Dasaman Kendai.